Well, there we are. We've come across from Lerwick on the ferry to Bressay. You probably hear me panting away there like some dodgy phone call breather. So, like winter walks. It is, because it's towards the back of January. It's difficult to know in Shetland when it's a good day to get out, but it's actually sunshine today. So that makes it rather special. And first thing this morning, there's lots of rain, there's heavy wind. You can probably hear the wind picked up on this, and I don't know, they've predicted rain, like 40% chance, but as I was waiting for the ferry, everything was very calm, and you do get these calm days in Shetland, so we'll see. We're heading for a prehistoric standing stone, which is a very tall slab. It looks out to sea, and the locks around it are called the locks of the standing stone. So we're heading there. I'll catch up with you shortly. So I was hoping to get to the standing stone, but what should be a footpath, there it is in the distance on the hill. Let's see if I can. There we are. It's impossible to get there because there's a house just by, and they were standing in the garden staring at me, a couple, waiting for me to pass by, clearly waiting for me to trespass on the land where there should be a footpath. No sheep, and look at this horrible rain coming in. So anyway, I'm just progressing on. Glacially erratic or something. So we're heading on to Hegan or somewhere. Anyway, catch up in a minute, no doubt, when it's raining and my hood's up. So 1 minute was nice and now it's horrific. Right, I'm not sure how good it picks it up on this film, but yeah, there's like rain just veering across in waves across the road. So it's kind of an aborted trip, but it's still good to see. Get a good views over Lerwick with atrocious rain clouds. Anyway, back to, there's like a visitor centre near the ferry, so I'm going to go there, keep dry, then go to, once I get back into town, into Murrell to the arts centre for coffee. Hi, so I'm in the waiting room at the Bressay ferry port back to Lerwick. What a disaster, it's like a hailstone coming down, awful. And like I said, I went across the field to get up to the stone circle, and there's two people, hands on hips, standing in this pebbled ash shack that was adjacent to the field, staring at me. I mean, there was everything there except pitchforks. Give it a canoe and a sex scene and it will be deliverance, I swear to God. The minute I walked away from the fence and past the house, they sort of walked in, but you could feel their eyes looking on you, but it just become horrendous. So it's just one of those things, and now I'm sat in this room and I'm dripping wet. There's a heater on which is so hot. You can see me go redder by the minute. But anyway, this is how these things work out, but you have to get outside.